for this lesson, I'm going to show you how to draw an isometric drawing of a house, okay? So first thing you need to do is draw a horizontal line leaning against the edge of the paper like so. Then get your set square, lean it against the horizontal line, and draw a vertical line from the side. Set square has a 90-degree angle, so you are guaranteed with an accurate vertical line from that side. Next, get your set square and lean it to this side on the horizontal line here. And you draw your first parallel line in this direction, okay? Then you rotate your set square to the other side, find that meeting point, lean it against that horizontal line that you've got here already, and you draw your parallel line there. Next, you want to get ruler to measure it out from this point outwards, so 4 centimeters outwards, okay? And from this point outwards, you want to measure up to 6 centimeters. Get your set square, lean it against the horizontal line again, up to that mark that you've just drawn out, and you draw your vertical line out like this. Then you want to do the same on the other side, up to that mark that you've drawn out, and draw your vertical line outwards like this. Next, you want to draw the shape of the box of that house. So you want it to be about 4 centimeters height from this point to there. And from this point to here. And again, on the other side, from this point to here. And then the marks that you made, you join that up using your ruler. And join it up to the other side, like so. So now you've got that side of the wall and this side of the wall. Next thing you want to do is add the roof. Get your ruler, measure it from this vertical line to this vertical line. It's 4 centimeters wide, as you know. Half it will be 2 centimeters. And you make a mark there. Once you've done that, get your set square and line it up against this horizontal line again. And draw a small line up like this. And you can measure it to be about 1.5 centimeters. So it's about this point here. So 1.5. And you just use your ruler, lean it against to this point where it's going to join up with the rest of the house, like this. And you want to do the same on the other side. And using your ruler to join it all up. And that's your first part of the roof there. Next thing you want to do, which is going to be a little bit fiddly, but it's one way I find easiest to make sure that I draw parallel lines. So you bring your set square out, line it up against that parallel line that you've already drawn. Get your ruler, anchor it down below so it doesn't move anywhere. Hold your 4 fingers down firmly. Move it to the side until it meets that top part of that roof here. Okay, so just to show you that one more time, you just move it along to the side. Just get your 2 fingers there and just start to draw out your parallel line for that roof. So that way, this line and this line is going to be parallel to each other. With that in mind, we can also see the other side of that roof. So what you need to do is do the same thing using your set square. Line it up against here, this line here. Then get your ruler to anchor it down below. So you've got a nice strong horizontal line. and then you move it along to the side to draw that line to meet up with the other side of the roof. Okay, so I'm just going to move it down a little bit below so that I can have a bit more room to join that line up. So here we go. Move it to the side until you meet that point, and you draw your line out like this. Okay. Next, you need to close this down. So using your ruler, lining up against that part of the roof. Make a mark on both sides. Make another mark. So measure it up to the other side here. Now I can't do any more because it goes past that point to complete the shape of the house. So what I need to do is use my ruler, move it simultaneously like this, and then complete the drawing and join it up like that. Okay, so just to show you, draw the mark on the other side when you line it up with this line, then continue, join it up, move it simultaneously to the other side to make a parallel line to this side of the roof. And you want to do the same thing on this side of the roof as well. So I'm going to then draw my ruler. As you can see, it's gone past that point because my ruler is covering it. So move it simultaneously down, and you got your parallel line that matches this line here. And that's pretty much it in drawing a house. You will go over using a pen of the shape of the house, and in the next part of the video I will show you how to add windows and doors.